Hello and welcome to our automated loan application journey. The automated loan application journey is a seamless, secure, and fully automated digital journey from the application to the disbursement. The first step involves an email invitation where the borrower receives a secure link to start their application process. Then they would upload the document inside the secure portal. Once the documents are uploaded, they'll go through an automated review and approval process for their loan. After the loan approval, they will sign the loan agreement digitally within the same environment. Once the loan agreement is signed, they will submit the processing fee securely online. They'll also have chat support throughout this whole journey within the secure portal. The same automation can also be applied to other use cases, such as in healthcare, it can be used for patient onboarding, where the patients will upload their medical records, they sign the consent form, and they pay the payment for the consultation. It can also be used in legal, where we can use it for the client intake, where they upload the case files, sign the retainer agreement, and go through the initial consultation scheduling. It can also be used for rental applications, where the tenant will upload their ID and the proofs, sign the lease agreement, and deposit the payments. In education, it can be used for the student enrollment, where the students can upload the documents, sign the admission letter, and pay their tuition fee. Now, we're jumping into the demo. On the right hand side of my screen, you can see the customer's view where they have received an email to start the loan application process. Here, the customer finds a quick overview of the loan process, where the first step is to submit the loan documents. And then the second step would be to review and e-sign the agreement. And the third step is going to be processing the loan fee by making a payment. On the left-hand side of my screen, you can see the Salesforce view for the agent, where they can also see similar loan application, where you can see the first step, which is to submit the loan documents. And they have requested these documents from the client right now. Now, once the client clicks on this button, they'll be navigated to a secure portal where they'll be able to upload the documents. Now you can see the applicant status has changed to online. So you can see in real time that the borrower has come online and is ready to submit the documents. I'm just going to click on the upload button to upload these documents. I'm going to add a couple of documents here. Just going to click on send to complete this request. Now we have completed this request, and as you can see, we have received these two documents here in the Salesforce. The agent can click on this eye icon to view the document. Let's say if they want to view the bank statement, just simply click here and it'll just open the bank statement document here. Similarly, they can view the pay stub ID by clicking here. If the agent wants to view these documents, they can simply navigate to the contact record, and here they'll be able to view these documents. So here is the bank statement that we uploaded, as well as the pay stub. Now, if you notice, the driving license was not uploaded. So an automated request has been already sent to the borrower to upload the driver's license. And the same you can see here in the portal on the borrower side. So if I click on the upload button, I'll be able to upload the driving license. Just upload the document, and similarly, we're just gonna click send to complete this request. Once we receive all the required documents, another automated request has been sent to the client. It says, thank you for submitting your documents. The loan application has been approved, and now they can click on this link to review and e-sign the loan agreement. And the same thing you can also see here in the Salesforce. So I'm just going to click on this link to review and sign the agreement. Here is the agreement that the borrower needs to sign. If they want, they can click on the disclosure to read the disclosure. And here they can agree to the disclosure and click on continue. Now they'll be able to see all the information here in the loan agreement, which has been fetched from their record while creating the agreement. And they can simply click here to sign this agreement. Now the agreement has been signed successfully and just gonna return back to the secure portal here. And you can see a message which says that your loan agreement has been successfully signed. Once we navigate to the contact record, we can also see the loan agreement here. So this is a document workflow where you can see that the document has been signed. If you want to view the document, you can just simply click here. And this is where you'll be able to see the loan agreement, which has been signed by the borrower. You can see the borrower signature and all the other information here. The borrower has received a link to make the payment for the loan processing fee. They can simply click here to make the payment. Now the borrower is taken to a safe link where they can make a payment either by a card or by a bank, which is the ACH method. And here they just simply need to provide their account information. So now you can see that the payment has been completed and the borrower has successfully completed the loan application process. Here on the client record inside Salesforce, you can also track the status of this payment. And if you click on this link, you'll be able to see that the payment has been accepted, which means that the client has now made the payment. Once the borrower returns to the screen, they can see that the process has been completed and the agent will get in touch with them for the next steps. Now, if the agent wants, they can keep this chat open if they want to chat with the client or, request any further documents, send any document for e-signature, or they can just simply click on this terminate button to terminate this connection. So now this container has been terminated and the borrower can no longer access this link. Thanks for watching our demo. Follow us to learn more about our apps or contact us now at solutions@cloudwinning.com.